Hi, I'm Song.
I'm Yuji.
I'm Darius.
I'm Haoyang.
We are CLHS Conquerors.
Ling School is located at Kampong Baru. It has over 100 years history and around 1,900 students and 170 qualified teachers.
In the early morning, students need to wait outside their class without a chair or bench before the monitor arrives to open the class door. Therefore, they can only sit on the dirty floor or just stand at the corridor outside the class. Students will feel uncomfortable and some pain due to the long wait outside the class. Students will face some health problems. Hence, how could we overcome this problem?
In my opinion, we can create a chair or bench by using the concept of merge brick. But do you know what a merge brick is?
A merge brick is made from plastic bottle bricks, which are created by cutting waste items into small pieces and fitting them into a bottle. For connectors, we use PVC pipe to merge them together, similar to the Lego concept, making it easy to assemble, disassemble, and store.
Conclusion, we can solve the problem by making chair using merge brick concept, which it also promotes sustainability by reducing plastic waste and is cost effective because the material is cheap, durable, lightweight, and easy to move, and lower the carbon footprint by promoting recycling.
Firstly, we take our unused 2-liter plastic bottles and fill it with each kind of waste like plastic bags, plastic packaging, and styrofoam. Avoid degradable waste like paper and biodegradable plastic or dangerous waste such as metal and glasses. Use a stick to press the waste inserted into the bottle. Keep compressing the waste until the 2-liter bottle weighs about 500 grams. After the merge brick is done, grab a U-shaped PVC pipe with a connector in between and start assemble by connecting two connectors which are U-shaped PVC pipe. Each connector can attach to a merge brick which makes users to connect according their way. Last but not least, just put up two unwanted pieces of cardboard as a base and a cushion.
We need 3 main materials to create the merge brick. They are 10 plastic bottles, any unwanted waste, and 2 cardboard. We also need 3 supplementary materials to create our product. First, 4 PVC pipe with the total cost 10 ringgit. Second, 1 hot glue with the cost 3 ringgit and 50 cents. And third, 1 dash tape with the total cost 3 ringgit and 50 cents. The total cost needed is 17 ringgit. Thank you for watching.